Just days after the teenage son of the California police chief was arrested for attacking a Sikh man, the Union City police chief, Daryl McAllister, in a Facebook post wrote that he was completely disgusted to know that his estranged son was involved in the assault. He said that intolerance for others was not a part of his family's values. Now, a video has surfaced online where the 71-year-old Sikh man Sahib Singh Nath was assaulted and spat on by two men in California. The two teenagers have been arrested for abusing and robbing the 71-year-old man. CCTV footage shows the Sikh man walking alone on the side of the road when he is attacked. These two men wearing hoodies approach him from the opposite direction. After a brief interaction, he tries to walk around the two men by going into the street, but the masked men follow Nat, and after another brief interaction, one of the assailants suddenly kicks Nath, causing him to fall back to the ground with his turban falling off. This was the second attack on a Sikh community member in the United States in the last week.